How to create an ad account that you can pay with your Naira card. Step 1. Go to your Meta suite where you are already logged in to both your Instagram and Facebook page. Step 2. Click on All Tools. Step 3. Go to the Billings and Payment where you'll be directed to a new page. Step 4. Click on Add New Ad Account. You'll be directed to another page. Step 5. Click on Add at the top right of your computer. Then create new ad account. You add the name of the ad account. Mine will be Jade Scene. Time zone, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Then I want to pay in Naira. I want to pay in Naira. Then it's for my personal use, not for business. I agree to terms and conditions. And with that, you have successfully created a Naira ad account. In the next video, I'll show you how to pay with your Naira card.